You like those carrots? Were they good? Carrot banana? Yeah, you're just gonna eat the mess that you made. Is that how good they are? You can't get enough? You'd rather just eat them off your bib? Yeah. Hey, Boog. Are they that good? Are you that hungry? You just can't get enough? Are you gonna eat your high chair? Okay, let's give you one more bite. One more bite off a spoon, like a normal kid. There we go. Here, get it all in there. Good stuff, huh? Good stuff? You full? Okay.